to start with, I'm just going to check that I have a water design file. So you can see there in the project settings the WDF file. That's our water design file. And then before I set up the actual water model, I want to check the pipe defaults. So under settings, pipe defaults. Okay, you can set your material type, your nominal diameter. In this case, I'd like to use 90 millimeters UPVC. Okay. Alright, so there are a couple of ways of setting up your water model. One of them would be to import the whole setup from a drawing that you've done of the whole water layout, the whole model's layout. The alternative is to graphically draw them in. So you can draw in your pipes, various methods to draw in the pipes. The one that I'm going to look at today is to draw in your pipes parallel to lines. This function will automatically offset your new pipes at a specific distance or through existing node or through any CAD point. In this case, I'm going to use the distance at 1 meter, so it'll offset at 1 meter from existing CAD lines, and then also using the trim function to trim the lines. You've also got a tolerance that you can set for your alignment points. Okay, so just to show you how this works, I'm just clicking on the side obviously that I want to position the new water pipes. And then whenever you want to end a pipe or insert a node, you just right click and then end pipe. And then just carry on, just remember to always click on the correct side that you want the pipe positioned of that existing CAD line. And right click to end pipe. You can see it's pretty quick and easy to draw in your network. Previously you would need to put in some construction lines and then draw along the construction lines, trim your pipe manually, but this does everything automatically. Okay, and then I'm just going to add in another pipe or two with that same draw parallel function in this crossing road. And I'm just going to need to right click end pipe, right click quit. But to reinvoke, remember you can always use your space bar just to reinvoke the last used function. Okay, so I've put one in that servitude as well. Okay, then I want to show you the trim function, so you can trim your pipes to tie neatly to these existing pipes. So graphical trim pipe, and you've got an option to trim both pipes or trim the one to intersect with the other and just split the other pipe. So I'll just show you the first method where you're trimming both sides. So you select the one, you can see it trims that pipe right back, so you're losing a portion of your pipe. So I'll just undo that and then I'll select to trim, so just undoing, and then I'll run this graphical trim pipe now and trim pipes, and then on the second pipe, my second click, I'm selecting to trim and to split, trim and or split. Okay, so it'll actually then split the pipe and insert a node at the connection. Okay, so I'm just going to use that same pipe trim function just to tidy up these other connections. I might need to just delete one of those nodes over there. Okay, so those are all neatly trimmed back. Okay, and then just to show you, if you need to insert a node on an existing pipe, you use split pipe, and it'll actually split the pipe and insert a node. And then if you want to remove a node on an existing, you would use the join pipes function, graphical join pipes. So those two nodes are very close together, I'm just going to remove one of them.